We have a flat tire that we gotta fix. So we fixed the shower earlier, and now the only thing I got left to fix is a run flat. For whatever reason, Mercedes thought about putting these freaking tires on here. You can't patch them at all. So we're going to Mercedes dealership. So yeah, like I said before, remember when you had that old car? You got a flat, and then you just go to the corner store, the tire store, and they'll fix it for you. And that was it. What, 10, 15 bucks, maybe 20 bucks? You get a Mercedes and, nah, I don't think so. If you go to that same tire place, the guy at the tire place is gonna look at you and say, boy, I ain't touching that shit. You gotta go to the dealer. And that's where we're gonna head to right now. Like I said before, the C300. If you've never seen the interior of it, there you have it. Nothing fancy, just Mercedes, whatever. Like I told you with the shower situation, wish me luck. Bye. I'm gonna try and enjoy the last few days of warm weather that we have. We're gonna ride with the top down. I don't know, like cool people do. Shoot, I almost forgot to show you the Christmas decorations they got here. They got a nice little tree, better than the one I got home, I'll tell you that much. Got this guy right here, got that one right here. Like I told you before, if you own a Mercedes-Benz, you gotta get used to this kind of shit. So, remember, if you own one of these, it's gonna cost you, because they don't have the regular tires. They have the run flats. So there you have it. Like I said before, $340 later in a couple of hours, and we're all set. She looks fucking beautiful. Now they even watch it for me. There you have it. See you guys later.